Hey, this is Justin. Welcome back. I got another lake update for you, or actually a pond update for you. This is Tawa Ponds, and this is the Upper Pond located on Snow Canyon Parkway near the Canyon Softball Complex in St. George. Nice little pond to fish, not very big as you can see. They usually have a fountain going in the middle, but it wasn't operating the day I visited and fished, but they usually do. And that helps keep the pond aerated with fresh water and oxygen. So the Division of Wildlife stock this pond November through March with catchable sized trout, rainbow trout, 11, 12, 13 inches sometimes even with the brood trout for a nice surprise for a lucky angler. But nice little place to go, warmer climate than some of the mountain reservoirs that are cold and eventually get frozen over. So we're going to zoom in here and take a little bit closer look at the cover. And you can see trout swimming around. There they are. The water was very, very clear. It's about 6 inches lower than it normally is, 6 to 9 inches lower. But it fluctuates, and the trout get used to that. You'll see some dead trout floating. That's normal after a stocking. It could have been from bird predation or an angler injuring a trout and just not making it, but that happens. Right now there's a lot of moss cover among the rocks, but that provides cover for the trout to ambush from. They were busting the surface, feeding on some kind of flies and bugs and things like that, and they were really keyed in on some specific topwater prey. So it was challenging fishing for me, at least. They didn't want anything to do with my rooster tails. And the fly fishermen were having a little bit of a troubled time as well. But it could be the time of day, and you never know what's going on. They can be finicky little creatures. But they were hanging about 6 to 12 feet off the shoreline, probably 2, 3, 4 feet of water milling around all the way around the outside edge. And well, you could see them right up next to you, and they would follow your lure all the way in and then turn at the last moment, the little stinkers. But they're in there, so if you can figure out how to catch them, it's fun. It's fun to go catch those little rainbow trout at Tawa Pond. So make sure to clean up after yourself if you go, and leave it better than you found it, and enjoy the stock trout at Tawa Ponds. Till next time, tight lines, and hope you have a good fishing trip.